Good morning!
Yeah.
It's his one's birthday! Can you believe she's 56 today? I can't. The best mother in the whole world. We're gonna go celebrate her with some massage and we'll see you later. I haven't planned much at all for my mother's birthday today, which is really bad. But I bought her a gift now, and I bought some number balloons, and I'm gonna get back home to make a surprise for her, and hopefully she'll be both surprised and happy. So, let's go! Renovating!
Yay!
Yay! Are you happy?
Very happy! New sink.
New sink.
Water tap.
A new kitchen. But the kitchen is not here.
No.
It's upstairs.
It's upstairs.
Wow! New kitchen!
Yeah!
You happy?
Very happy. Look at this.
This is your birthday gift.
This is so good.
How has your birthday been so far?
It's been amazing.
You are amazing. Oh.
My son Kristian, you has surprised me. It's been so good.
Yeah.
Birthday in 1 year.
Yes.
When we are together, we're like the fountain of youth. I can hear them talking so far away from the truth. You and me.
We believe in good health, and that's why we're out running before leaving Spain and going back home to Norway. And now we're on our way to the only friend that I've made since I got here, which is Roxy. And Roxy is only the name that I've given her. I have no idea what her name actually is, so let's see Roxy. Hey! Hi! Hey, how are you, my friend? Ah, there she is. She's back. Hey! Good girl, Roxy. Yeah, you're a good girl. It's you, Rocky Balboa. The woman version of Rocky Balboa. She's running up the hills. She's so good. Look at her. Almost like a speed skater. Wow. You feeling strong? Whoa! After 3 amazing weeks here in Spain, it's time to go back home to the cold Norway. Let's go! Hey! Reunited with my best friend, Chica. Now we're out for a run in the cold, dark Norway. It's only like 6 o'clock, but still it's totally dark outside. Today I was on the ice just testing my GH5, which was amazing. What do you say, Chica? Should we keep on running? Hey guys! We're back on the ice rink because tonight there's a speed skating race and we are the clockers, and that's how we're spending our Mondays. That's it for this week's vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it, and please remember to subscribe to my channel, push the button down here, and I'll see you next week. Konge.